Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with another unboxing. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so I got another handbag, and this time it is from Michael Kors. This is how it came to me, you guys. I'm holding it like this because my address is on both sides. So all I did was slit the pack. So open it. What was that? Uh-oh, y'all, hold on. Okay, you guys, so this one was in the package, just the receipt. This bag was $119. With tax, I paid $128.52. So here is the bag. Can y'all guess what color I got? Oh my goodness. I got the Michael Kors Lita bag in the color, I think this is called pistachio. If it's not pistachio, it's light sage. That's the color. Is this not a beautiful color? Oh. This is how the bag looks. We got to get all of this wrapping off. So let me take that off. Alright you guys, so here is the bag. I don't know how I feel about this color. I really don't know. It has a back slip pocket. It has gold hardware right here, and you pull this down and open it. When you open it, it has 3 pockets. So you have the smaller front pocket, you have this pocket right here, this section. In there, it has another pocket right here, and then you have this back section. And it has the crossbody strap in here. Yeah, and it's just a big opening back here. This just says Michael Kors right here. So yeah, this comes with the matching sage green. You see right there, crossbody strap. And it comes with this beautiful chain right here. This is so gorgeous. So that way you can carry it as a crossbody or as a top handle bag. And when you close it the right way, let's close it. And, you know, this can hang across the front like that, and you can have your strap. This is cute. It has the gold D-rings right here. This is, I like the bag. I'm just not sold on the color. Yeah. Let me get my phone and tell you the dimensions of this. So look y'all, and it has the little MK right there. Can you remove this? You cannot remove this. So this stays on here no matter what. Okay, my phone. Okay, so this is the Michael Kors Lita medium leather crossbody bag in the color light sage. It also comes in a powder blush, it's like a pink color. Okay, so this is a crossbody bag, leather. It's 100% leather. Gold tone hardware. It is 10 inches wide, 5 and 7/5 inches tall, and the depth is 3.5 inches this way. The handle drop is 2 inches, And the adjustable strap is 17.38 inches to 21 inches, so it's adjustable. Snap fastens. Back slip pocket, front slip pocket. So that's everything with that. So let me see if my phone, yeah, I'm team Android. So let me see, and this is the Girl Somebody 21, Galaxy 21. It will not fit in this back pocket, not sideways. You can stand it up like that, but it won't go sideways. I'm gonna go get my kiddo's iPhone in a minute. But when it comes to the front pocket, let's see. Nope, it will not fit in the front pocket. So you will have to put your phone in this middle pocket or the back pocket. It will fit just fine. But let me get my kiddo's iPhone and we shall see. Hold on. Okay, so here's my baby's iPhone, somebody 11 or something like that, 12 or somebody. I don't know, iPhone have too many. It will slide in the back pocket. Okay? So when it comes to the front, it will go in the front pocket. So I guess the regular size iPhone will go in the back and the front. But if you have the bigger ones, the Pro or the a bigger Samsung or something like that, it's not the move. And with both phones in there, you see it has plenty of room. This bag does not have any feet on the bottom. So if you're a stickler for feet, or you worry about where you sit your bag, just know that it does not have any feet or any leather straps or anything to protect it on the bottom. Okay? What do we think about this? I mean, it has the little MK emblem right here when you snap the bag. And then you just push it right here. And then it just says Michael Kors right there. I don't want to blind you guys. I like that it's really understated, because I don't like where it's the MKs all over it and everything. Like, I like this is very, very understated. I'm just not sure about the color. And you guys, only thing that's in here, as you see, is those two phones. This baby has some weight. That's all that's in here, is the two phones and the other strap. This this has some weight in here. So here is the strap, you guys, and it does say Michael Kors on the little the hook. Hook it right there. So here it is on my shoulder and everything, just straight out of the bag. I haven't changed the adjustments or anything. So this is the length on here. It has 3, 4, look like it might be 7 hooks. So as we see, I will make this longer because I don't like my bag sitting up this high. But this is the color. What do we think of the color? I'm not 100% sold on the color. And for me, I most definitely will carry it like this without the strap. No. I like the versatility. But for me, I will most definitely carry it like this. But I'm not in love with this. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Okay. Alright, you guys, so that concludes this unboxing of the Michael Kors Lita bag. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Would you keep the bag? What do you think of the color? What do you think of the phone not really fitting on the outside or the front pocket? Let me know down in the comments. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will have this bag linked down in the bottom like I always do. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.